episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by the amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And today we're talking about Tesla, and remember maybe back in May or so when they had that we had to go through a elevated price structure, even if you already had a signed contract, if it was already past your 3 to 5 day right of rescission or whatever. They wanted to come back and charge anywhere between 30 to 150% more because of price complexity, inflation, or whatever, right? This was actually tossed out, it apparently seems. So this apparently went to the court, legal side of it. Check it out. It's an electric magazine, electric.com. If you check it out, you'll see that in there it talks about how this September 13th went to court, actually tossed. So Tesla's going to have to eat shit here. And it sounds like it's going to cost them a lot of money to eat this shit. So it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out. I'm more interested to see how this ends than I am on the hype of the news of this. I think we should all watch it. And I do believe it's going to be a case where Tesla's going to end up getting rid of their energy side. They're just going to sell batteries to companies like Sunrun and other installers. And I do believe Tesla's solar roof and Tesla solar panels will eventually fade out. It's a money loss for them. They're not making anything on it. They're hemorrhaging money outside of it. Why keep it going? Elon's going to lose his $2 billion court case of why they should have bought Solar City, blah, 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 blah. And I think he's going to be personally on the hook. And once that happens, I do believe you're going to see that Tesla is going to get rid of the Tesla energy side, just keep the Tesla power walls. Let's see if we're right here. That's a prediction. It's pretty bold, but I do believe looking at the numbers, you can be pragmatist to see this. It makes sense. So, with that aside, thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by the team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Thank you.